Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shal Fadil Inaya and I'm student at the Islamic Education Study Program at UN Jakarta. This assignment focus on the basic principle of Islamic jurisprudence. I'm presenting case study about a Muslim working as bartender. In today's world, many people must work hard to make ends meet. Sometimes available jobs don't always align with religious teaching. One example is Muslim working as a bartender, a person who serves alcohol in bar or restaurant. However, in Islam, alcohol is prohibited, but drinking and serving alcohol. This raises the question, is it permissible for Muslim to work in such a place out of necessity? What is the Islamic perspective on such a situation? Islam strictly forbids all form of involvement with alcohol beverage, khamr, whether in the form of drink it, sell it, or serving it. In the Quran Surah Al-Maidah verse 19, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says, "It need khamr, gambling, idols, and lotteries are abominable deeds from the work of Satan. So avoid them that you may be successful." This verse shows that khamr is a heinous act that must be avoided completely, including in the content of fraud. Rasulullah SAW also cites Allah curse khamr, those who drink it, those who pour it, those who sell it, those who buy it, those who make it, those who ask for it to be made, those who bring it, those who brought to it, and those who eat the process of itself. Hadis riwayat Abu Dawud dan Ibnu Majah. This hadith confirm that everyone involved in the khamr distribution, can including bartenders, is cursed by Allah. Therefore, from perspective of Al-Quran and Hadith, working as a bartender is forbidden because it constitutes assisting in a sinful act. However, in emergency or situation of necessity, some scholars permit it temporarily, provided that the individual continue to seek lawful employment in accordance with the principle emergency permit what is forbidden. Fiqh principle. Based on the journal written by Khairia entitled Law on Bartender Work in the Perspective of Islamic Law, it explains that based on the evidence of Quran and Hadith, and that opinion of scholars, work as a bartender is forbidden because it includes helping in the distribution of alcohol. In conclusion, I disagree with idea of a Muslim working as a bartender based on strong evidence from the Quran, Hadith, and Islamic law. It falls under the category of activities that assist in serving alcohol, which is strictly prohibited by Sharia law. Earning a living is important, but the method must be halal. Islam not only forbids drinking alcohol, but also prohibits anyone who helps prepare it. Therefore, working as a bartender is still contrary to Islamic teaching, as it involves engaging in something clearly forbidden. Seek employment that is halal and is accordance with Islamic teaching, even if it may seem more difficult. The government, religious institutions, and community leaders are also encouraged to provide education and guidance so that Muslims better understand the importance of seeking halal and blessed livelihoods. That's enough for me. Thank you to all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.